A business glossary is a collection of all the business terms used across your organization. It provides clarity to ambiguous business and technical jargons like common business terms, abbreviations, and acronyms that are used synonymously across your organization. It provides a shared understanding of the language spoken across your business to ensure that everyone is referring to the same thing. In Document 360, you can build your business glossary by going into the Content Tools under the Content Reuse section. Adding a term is as simple as clicking New and New Term. Enter the term here and input the description of this term. This definition can be enhanced further using the formatting tools, and it is also possible to add images. The global toggle will define whether this term appears in all available languages in your knowledge base or limit them to a specific language. Click Add and it will be added to the glossary. If you have a long list of terms, the Import Glossary function is a great way to populate your terms using a CSV file. There are two options you can choose. One is with data, which comes with a few terms and definitions which you can then modify. The other contains no data and you will need to add terms and definitions from scratch. Once you upload the CSV file and the import process is complete, all the terms will be added to your glossary. A preview of each term can be viewed by hovering over the Preview button. You can edit or update a term at any time, or delete it if it's not required. If you need to remove several terms at once, just select them and click the Delete button up here. Now that we have a list of terms, let's look at how we can add the glossary terms to an article. Whether you're using the Markdown or the WYSIWYG editor, you can access your glossary by clicking the Glossary button. Use the search feature to quickly find a term if you have a long list. Select the terms you wish to add and click Insert. In the Markdown editor, you will notice that the term is underlined, and hovering over it will show the definition. Let's publish this article and view it in the knowledge base site. The terms will be displayed with an underline to indicate to the user that more information about the term is available. Once you've added terms from your glossary to different articles, you can track where they're being used. Back in the Content Tools, let's open the glossary under the Content Reuse section. In the Dependencies column, click View on any term to see which articles contain this term, along with the version, contributor, the status of the article, and the date. In certain cases, it may be a good idea to have this glossary readily available to your knowledge base users at any time. Under the Settings section, under the knowledge base site, select Navigations. We can add the glossary to the header either on the left or the right of the page. Let's add the glossary to the right side navigation and save. Looking at the knowledge base site now, the glossary will be visible on the top right, which will take us to the glossaries page where all the terms are compiled and sorted alphabetically. Another method of using the glossary definitions is to use this URL to link directly to this page within your articles. This is a great option if you do not want to use it in the header navigation. Users will be taken directly to the glossary page when they click on the link. You can control permissions to define who can manage and access the glossary in the Users and Security settings. In the Knowledge Base Portal section, select Roles and go to Content Role. Let's create a new custom role named Glossary Management. Next, in the Role Access, enable Access Glossary and Manage Glossary. You will notice that some options which have a dependency on this setting will be enabled automatically. Click Finish and we are now ready to add users to this new role. Go to Team Accounts and let's edit the content access permission for this user. Select the new role we created and apply. This user will now be able to both access and manage the glossary. In summary, developing a business glossary for your knowledge base helps everyone in your organization understand common business terms, thus improving collaboration and communication, and helps with data and information management. It also provides clarity to your knowledge base site readers who interact with your business, whether it's your clients, customers, or partners.